7th Standard Maths, Chapter 14, Algebraic Formulae, Expansion of Squares. Now, to start this practice set 50, let's go through this formula. Based on this formula, this full practice set we have to solve. So, formula क्या कहता है? A plus B. So, A means यहाँ पे एक नंबर होगा एंड B ये एक अलग नंबर होगा. जब इन दोनों का प्लस होगा और ये होल स्क्वायर यानी ये आपस में दो बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो फॉर्मूला इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर एंड सेम फॉर्मूला इज फॉर माइनस, ओनली हियर यू हैव टू पुट दिस माइनस. सो नाउ फर्स्ट सम्स 5a plus 6b the whole square. So according to formula, first term square, so 5a square then plus 2 into a is 5a into b is 6b then plus b square. So here we have 6b the whole square. So see 5 square means 5 square means this square means 5a into 5a. See, anything raised to square means you multiply the term by itself. So 5 5s are 25. A into a अल्फ़ाबेट मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होता तो वो स्क्वायर फॉर्म में आएगा. ओके, सो 5 5s are 25 a स्क्वायर देन प्लस ये सब वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो सी इट इज़ 2 into 5 into 6. 6 5s are 30, 32s are 60 and there is a into b. So that means 60 a into b. 6 square means 6 6 are 36 and alphabet b square. Done. Okay. Let's see second sums. Now according to formula, first term is what? A upon 2. So the whole square. Then what formula say? 2 multiply by a into b plus b square. So a is what? A upon 2. B is what? B upon 3. Then b square. This. And you just have to solve. a का तो a square बन जाएगा और नीचे जो 2 है वो 2 into 2 4. ना ये ना ऐसे फॉर्म में है 2 into a upon 2, तो ये डिवीजन फॉर्म में हुआ ना, तो 2 and 2 कैंसल, 2 and 2 कैंसल. सो ओनली a लेफ्ट एंड देन a into b और नीचे 3 रह गए. तो दिस इज a into b upon 3 देन अपर b into b स्क्वायर, denominator 3 3s are 9. So this is the answer. Let's do third sums. This is a a. यहाँ माइनस है तो माइनस वाला फॉर्मूला आएगा a स्क्वायर माइनस 2 into a into b plus b स्क्वायर. So a into b स्क्वायर. 2 2s are 4 p square. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 p cube. 3 3s are 9 q square. Done. Now let's do fourth sums. A square minus is there, so minus 2 into a into b plus b square. A is this, b is this. मतलब ये a हुआ, ये b हुआ. यहाँ पे b square this, so this will be as it is, x square as it is आएगा, 2 into 2 4, ये ऊपर और नीचे x डिवाइड हो जाएगा, देन ये स्क्वायर हो रहा है तो 4 और नीचे का x स्क्वायर, डन. Now fifth sums, this whole term is a and this whole term is b, so a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, so a b का term, so square means a square b square हुआ, 2 into, ये अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में आएगा, ए बी एक्स वाई, देन बी स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर, डन. नाउ सिक्स्थ सम्स, माइनस वाला फॉर्मूला, सो ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू ए इंटू बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर, so a is what, 7m, 7m, b is what, 4, 4, 7 7s are 49, m square, 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are 56, m, 4 4s are 16, done. Seventh sums, so according to formula this is plus, so a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, so a is what, x, b is what, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Now x into x, x square, here in numerator 2, denominator 2, so it will get cancelled, x into 1, x, here we have plus, 1 1s are 1, denominator 2 2s are 4, why, because it is square, so done. Now the last sums, so minus वाला formula, so a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, so first term is a, second term is b, a square minus a और a cancel, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 upon a square, done. Now let's go, which of the option given below is the square of the binomial. So if we put this term in formula, so we will get 8, a square, a is 8 8s are 64, then minus 2, 2 into a into b, so 2 8s are 16 upon b, and then b square, 1 upon x square, so this is your option, यहाँ पे है ये option, so this is your answer. Okay. Third sums, of which of the binomial given below the expansion. Okay. Now this time they have given us reverse, यहाँ पे आंसर दिया हुआ है सॉल्व करके, सो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे, सो इसमें ना देखो ये फर्स्ट टर्म और ये लास्ट टर्म को देखना, फर्स्ट का स्क्वायर हुआ है यानी यहाँ पे एम एन आएगा, लास्ट का क्या है 49 यानी 7 पी क्यू, और ये सारे प्लस में है, दिस ऑल इज इन एडिशन, सो एम एन प्लस 7 पी क्यू, this, so your answer is mn plus 7 pq, this is your answer. Fourth question, use an expansion formula to find the values. So expansion formula use करना है. See, now the first question is 997 the whole square. So what is the next round figure number for this? अभी देखो ये 997 है, तो ज़ीरो में आने के लिए 8, 9, 10 यानी 1000 is the nearest round figure. So 1000 minus 3, इसका हो जाएगा 1000 minus 3. ओके, क्वेश्चन फॉर दिस. सो अब इसको फॉर्मूला में लगाएंगे, दैट 1000 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू ए इंटू बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. हमने फॉर्मूला लगाया यहाँ पे, ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2 ए इंटू बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. वो फॉर्मूला को हिसाब से we have put all this value. Now 1000 का स्क्वायर, सी ज़ीरो सारे डबल हो जाएंगे. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 ज़ीरो डबल हो जाएंगे. देन माइनस 2 3 ज़ा 6, 6 1 ज़ा 6, 1000 हो जाएगा. 3 3 ज़ा 9. सो फर्स्ट इसमें से 6000 माइनस करना है. सो 6000 माइनस करना है. टेन माइनस 6 4 9 9. So then 9 is remaining, so 9 will get added. So your answer will be 9 lakh. Final answer is 9,94,009. Second question, 102 the whole square. So this is equals to 100 plus 2 the whole square. So according to formula, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So a is what? 100, b is what? 2. 100 का स्क्वायर इज, ये जीरोस डबल हो जाएंगे, 2 का 4. Then 2 2 is 4, 4 1 is 4, so 400. 2 2 is 4. So after adding all this, we get this is the answer. Third sum 97. So again it is equals to 100 minus 3 the whole square. So according to formula, a square minus a into b, sorry 2 into a into b, then plus b square. So a is 100, b is 3. So 100 का स्क्वायर is double of 0, 2 3 is 6, 6 into 100 600, 3 3 is 9. Now 10,000 minus 6 is equals to 9,400. 9,400 plus 9 is equals to 9,409. Fourth sums. See, 1005, that means 1000 plus 5 the whole square. We splitted this. So according to formula, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So a is what? 1000. B is what? 5. So 1000 means double of 0. Then 2 5s are 10, 10 and this 3 0. मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Then 5 5 are 25. At the end, you have to add all this. This is your answer.